Hey, what's up everybody? Thank you so much for coming back for another video. I am so grateful to be able to provide you with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about the basics of brush pens and how to get started with them. I wanted to have two brush pens that are widely available and easy to find. This one right here is a Marvy Liquid 2 brush pen, similar to the combo dual tips. I just like these a lot better. And this one right here, it is the Ecoline brush pen. Very easy to find. You can find them on Amazon and various other websites that sells collecting supplies. And so the first thing you want to learn about brush pens is that it is the nib. See how this nib is and how it is very soft and flexible, and you could get very different results from it. So with brush pens, that's the first thing that you want to take into consideration. Is the nib and the pen going to feel good and work for me? And with this one, the Marvy Liquid 2, this nib is long and skinny, and you're gonna get a different result. If you've ever watched me on Instagram or here work on a project, you'll see I will rotate pens and not use the same one because you're gonna get different results. And as you see, and also this pen, it's dual tipped compared to this brush pen, which is just one-sided. So the dual tip is fine, like a pen, and good for details. And after you decide what pen is going to work for you, then take into consideration, okay, I decided that I'm going to go with the Ecoline brush pen. And you have to also understand that there's more to this brush pen. It has bottles of ink as well that you could dip the nib in. That will be a bit of how you take it further than just having a red brush pen. Well, red inked brush pen. And after you decide on the brush pen, you want to do drills. So the first drill would be good for getting control down with the different pressures of the nib. So if you look here, down, hold on, let me get my arm right. You want to start out thin, and then apply pressure. So this right here is a good exercise to do, and then this one. This is one that you will see people that do pointed pen calligraphy. They'll do drills like this. And see, it's just going in a loop. Then applying pressure, then applying pressure, then applying pressure, then applying pressure. And just doing those simple drills will allow you to have a better understanding of how to use your brush pen. And I'm going to do the same drills using the Marvy Liquid 2 brush pen. So let's grab another sheet of paper so you can see the differences. And once again, how this nib is longer. So the first one was going down like that. And you see how using this one, the long and skinny brush pen, really similar to how a pen is. And what I'm going to do, so you are getting the idea of how important drills are to getting down control with your brush pens and understanding your tools, how they work. Because the way to get better is to practice. It's not to start out automatically with doing flourishes, because learning how to do this, it all stems from the basics. Learning these few things and then learning the anatomy of how a letter works. So for doing this A, it stems from that. This right here is a different style, but you have to start with this first before you can lead to this. And the same with the lowercase a. And these drills and letter drills, it will lead you on the right path to knowing how to get started with brush pens as a beginner. And these drills are good as well. Do not forget that you have to study, and by study, meaning look at other people's work and see how they start a letter, where they apply pressure, and how their flourishes and letters and everything work together. And then you can apply that in your own way. And don't forget to let me know what your thoughts are below, and also like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to check me out on all of the social media, links up in the description. See you in the next one.